3 suggestions for diabetics looking for dinner ideas. Be ready to hear these outside-the-box ideas and listen to them all. Don't leave the video quickly after hearing the first idea, because I have a feeling that you may. Hear it all and make a decision and let me know what you think after hearing them all. Have you downloaded the SugarMD app yet? If not, you are missing out on some great resources for managing your diabetes. Our team of experts offer free coaching via app texting, so you can get answers to all of your diet and diabetes related questions. Did you know that skipping dinner can have a wide range of good effects on your blood sugar levels? This is probably the first thing that comes to mind whenever you hear the word dinner, whether it is what kind of food you think, right, you're gonna have, or where you're going to have it. Well, that's right. The first suggestion for dinner is to skip dinner entirely. Not every day, but at least couple times a week, which means that you should eat your final meal no later than 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is understandable that you would be tempted to believe that this is impossible, particularly if you are accustomed to eating late in the evening, like I used to do that. Nevertheless, if you are willing to put in a little more effort, it is doable, and your blood sugar levels will be so grateful for it. Patients with diabetes who skip their evening meals in order to bring their blood sugar levels back to normal can show improvement in their condition in as little as 2 weeks or less, according to studies. Why not give it a try and see how much better your body feels when you put down the fork, forego that evening meal, and get an early start on your sleep routine? What do you think? Now, you're getting where I am going with this, right? Eating breakfast foods for dinner is an excellent method also to maintain control of your blood sugar levels while still enjoying a meal that is both delicious and satisfying. Let's say you don't want to skip dinner today, but what are you going to do, right? Well, I would say consider dishes for those nights that you want to eat dinner, such as scrambled eggs, omelets, high protein, high fat yogurt, etc., like breakfast dishes that can be made with, combining the eggs and cheese, etc. And if you don't have a cholesterol problem, you can eat as many eggs you want, right? Not only will you be able to monitor the amount of carbohydrates in your supper by selecting ingredients that are straightforward, because you know what you're having. You don't have to estimate, guesstimate, etc. You know that it's going to be high protein and high fat. Most breakfast items are going to be like that unless you're going for the carbs. And you know that you're feeding your body something that is really nourishing. Additionally, it doesn't have to be monotonous either. You can spice it up by adding some cooked tomatoes, some spinach, and some things that are like sauteed, etc. So if you want to ensure that you have a restful night of sleep and help out with those fasting blood sugar levels as well, eating breakfast for dinner is probably the ideal way to go about things. Now, thirdly, salads are not only nutritious and satiating, but they're also quite simple to prepare and our final dinner suggestion for you. They offer diversity to your evening meal, and even salads don't have to be uninteresting either. So why not give it a try with mixing things up, like adding a variety of vegan proteins. You can have like roasted chickpeas, avocados, and maybe some tempeh. Not only are these choices suitable for diabetics and those following a diabetic diet, but they also provide a delicious flavor to your salads, and that you can even include seeds, right? Nuts, to give it a crunch, even a handful of fruits for a touch of sweetness, whatever you're in the mood for, to give your salad that little something extra that it needs. It is impossible to go wrong with a salad when it has all these different toppings, except, high carb dressings and stuff like that. Avoid that. So give it a try for that for a few nights. One night a breakfast dinner, one night a salad dinner, one night no dinner, and then try this for a couple of weeks. You will love it. Your numbers will be great in the morning, and I think you'll appreciate it yourself. And if you appreciate this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video, subscribe, and guess what? I'll see you again. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.